Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on the hazard lights on your car. So I'm using Mercedes-Benz right now and I'm going to demo this on my Mercedes-Benz car. But this option is available on any car you are driving, right? So what you need to do is when you are sitting inside your car, you need to look for a red triangle, right? So on Mercedes-Benz, this triangle is here. On Mercedes-Benz, I can see this red triangle here. Sometimes in older car, this red triangle is a button, or you just need to click on some button which shows this red triangle. So when I press this red triangle button, what it does is it just turns on my hazard light. That means all four indicators are blinking, right? And you can see this here. So left hand side green, right hand side green. So my hazard lights are on. Now if you want to make them off, once again just press that hazard light option and it's going to stop. Okay, so just look for this red triangle in your car and press it, and your hazard light will be on your car from. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next video.